Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Many of you have been asking for an updated tutorial, so I'm going to be showing you how to re-roll your race for free in the Forge. You're able to get 1,000 free race re-rolls using a working the Forge Roblox code. And I'm going to be running through the steps that you need to take to go ahead and do this, guys. It literally takes just a few minutes, and this is going to allow you to get free re-rolls in the Forge Roblox. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I do plan on making more the Forge tutorials. So without wasting any more time, let's show you how to re-roll your race in the Forge for free. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone internet browser. As you can see, I've been searching and watching tons of YouTube videos, and I finally managed to find a super easy method. Like I said, this is just using a code. So use your mobile phone and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. Now, it's very important you do this on your mobile phone. It makes the process a lot easier. To get your code, basically, it makes it easier. So go to Cold Coupons. And this is a secret codes website, guys. I've used them previously for other games like Grow a Garden, but they do have some new codes on here for the Forge. So where it says search here, just type in there the Forge, and it should pop up. The Forge Roblox codes. You can see there's 5 verified codes at the time of recording this. Thousands of people have rated them very highly. Go ahead and scroll down. There's a few different options here, including money, lucky blocks, runes. Here we go. 1,000 race re-rolls. So this is a simple The Forge Roblox code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to give you 1,000 re-rolls for free. And these cost a lot of money, guys, if you was to purchase them. So because these codes are limited, guys, you can see your personal The Forge Roblox code for your re-rolls is locked. And that basically stops people from stealing all of the codes. You can only get 1 of these codes per person. So go ahead and click on Get Full Code. And you're now going to see this screen here, where it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So basically, guys, these tasks sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can supply us these awesome codes. You need to choose 2 of the tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and ensure you do read the description, because that tells you basically how to complete each task. So if you do that and fully follow the instructions, your The Forge Roblox code will be revealed and unlocked in this box. And once you redeem it in game, guys, that is going to give you 1,000 free race re-rolls. And that is super simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. These are by far the best, the Forge Roblox codes. So head on over to Cold Coupons, guys. And yeah, that is basically going to get you free race re-rolls. Like I said, you can get 1,000 re-rolls for free. So hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.